Groovy babies, welcome back to Groovy Roller Skate and part 2 of our Groovy Foundation series. I hope you've been practicing because today we're going to build off of the skills that we covered in the first part of this series. So if you haven't watched that yet, make sure you go check it out. So without further ado, let's build off of our flow today and get our groove on. Grab your skates and let's roll into it. So in part 1, we covered dribbles, manuals, and the zero. Now we're just gonna build off of that a little bit, find our flow, and add a little bit more style and flair to it. So first things first, dribbles. I know that we did just the basic dribble motion, and hopefully you were practicing that and getting really smooth with it. Today we're gonna add that nice little flair that's called a pivot. And this is what really makes it look super cool. In order to do the pivot, you need to focus on the transfer of weight. We're gonna start in our lunge. We're going to pop it up, remember, place it down, the other one comes up. Now to perform the pivot, you're gonna not only pull it up, but you're going to do a nice little pivot within the movement. So we're gonna pull it up, place it out. This foot is still on its toe, and then you're gonna pivot. Pivot back, pull it up, and pivot. Now, when you're doing your pivot, it's very, very important that you're aware of your upper body and how to shift, okay? And also, when you're turning, make sure you're turning inside, towards the inside, if that makes sense. Let me do it towards the front so you can see. So, the foot that's back and up, I'm gonna pivot the opposite direction of which foot is out. This foot is out, so I'm gonna go here, and I'm gonna pivot to the left. Right leg's out, I'm pivoting to the left. Out, pivot to the left. Now that's why we also did the zero, because that helps you get used to getting your pivot on. So if you remember the zero, when you pop your heel out and you're pivoting, that's getting you used to that weight transfer. Heel out, pivoting, done. Heel out, pivot, stop, up, pivot, stop. Now it's kind of the same situation, but instead your foot is going to be in the front of you, and you're going to transfer your weight from the right to the left. You can practice just like this too if you need to. Go in, go out. Woo! That's kind of hard to do slow. Back, forward, pivot inside. Now, to make it look really smooth, you're not only gonna pivot out, but you're gonna pull it back up. You're here, you pull it up, pivot to the inside, pull it up again. Other side. Pull it up, pivot, shift. Pull it up, pivot, pull it up, shift. Pull it up, pivot, pull it up, shift. So this one at first you really kind of have to think about, like it's not something that usually comes super natural to people. As time goes on, you're gonna get used to it. So you can do dribble, 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 pivot, dribble, 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 pivot. And as time goes on, you can do it faster and with less dribbles in between. But I recommend kind of getting a couple of dribbles in before you advance to dribble, pivot, dribble, pivot, dribble, pivot, you know? The most important part is that you keep those knees bent, number one rule of skating, and you keep your upper body engaged in what you're doing. Keep your head engaged in what you're doing. We'll go dribble, 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 and pivot, turn, up, dribble, 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 pivot, turn, up, dribble, 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 pivot, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You got this. The hardest part is the pivot, of course, but the more you practice it, the smoother it'll become. So your homework today is to practice on your pivots and really give yourself grace while you're practicing this, because it is not natural, it doesn't come easy, it takes time. Next, we're gonna add on to the zero. And to make this thing look a little bit more cool and groovy, I wanna add a couple of steps into our zero formation. Remember when we were doing the zero, we're pivoting, bam, bam, we're gonna bam, bam, hoop, Bam. And I really want you to get into it, okay? Add your own flair, you know? Make it feel and look like you. Don't just copy what I do, but do what you want to do. So we're gonna go left, right, left, 0, stop, right, left, right, 0, stop, left, right, left, 0, stop. Pretty simple, pretty easy, right? Really just put your hips into it, you know? Like really start feeling it. Give the little style to it because that's what makes it look really good. And if you don't know what I'm talking about in regards to the 0, I already broke this down. You can find it somewhere up here, okay? If you need to get some extra help with the 0. But we're gonna move on to the next thing, okay? Now, we're gonna touch on our manuals a little bit more and we're gonna add some flair to them and really try and get into it, you know? Manuals again, heel toe, heel toe, heel toe, heel toe, heel toe, hold it out, bam, bam, hold it out. Pretty simple, but it's really gonna add that extra balance factor into learning this move and getting more comfortable and being on a heel toe. And you can also do ba, 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 ba. Another part of our manuals that we really want to work on is our toe manuals because they're going to be super important. I honestly don't practice them enough. So that's the mistake that we're not going to make, and I'm going to help you find the drills that work for you so that you can get stronger. For our toe manuals, I challenge you to stay on your toes for as long as you can. So we're going to go down, we're going to hop up, you keep your knees bent. Try and hold it for an 8 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You gotta keep that core engaged. You're not up, okay? I don't wanna see anybody like this, okay? Very, very dangerous. You gotta keep your knees soft. You gotta keep it bent because if not, you're gonna be in big trouble. Let's combine the two. We're gonna hit our heel toe manuals into a toe manual. Sounds hard, but you gotta do it, okay? We're gonna build that strength. We gotta get used to being on these toes and in these manuals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and toes. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You got this, okay? Keep it tight. Whatever you do, use your core, keep your head up. Don't worry about the rest. Your feet know what they're doing, okay? Again, heel toe manual. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and toes. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bam. Try and go in a circle. Bam, 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 bam. Oh my God, I've never done that before. See, and with time, you're gonna be fine. Your muscle memory is gonna be insane when you're done, okay? To our, oh, damn, sometimes it just doesn't wanna work out. The sweat is insane. Okay, now that you know the breakdown and you have all the fundamentals for this one, and you can feel free to practice these in any kind of space, okay? I'm in a small space right now to show you that you don't need a lot of room to groove. So if you can't get to the rink or it's raining outside, find a small area with hardwood floor or whatever you gotta do, and you can still get your groove on. So let's combine these really quickly so that you have something to practice for this week, and we'll build off of it in part 3 of the series. So we're gonna start with our 0, then we're gonna move to our dribbles, then we're gonna hit the manuals, okay? And each one is gonna be 2 8 counts, so you have time, all right? So we're gonna start with the 0. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On your toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm gonna leave that in there just for realisticness because it's not always gonna be perfect, okay? Sometimes your toes is just gonna not get the memo, but it's important that you don't give up, okay? It doesn't always look pretty, but over time, it'll look a lot better, okay? So that's your homework for today, y'all. Work on your dribbles, work on your pivots, hit the 0 and manuals, okay? Do that as much as you can because these are the foundation. Your pivots help you find flow, style, transition. Your dribbles help you with mobility, hip movement, opening up your upper body. Manuals help you with toe strength and being on your toes and being prepared for anything. These are all super important. It does not matter if you don't have a huge space. Do what you can, where you can, how you can, for how much time you can. Next week, we're gonna cover lunges and dips, and we're gonna work on getting our mobility, right? And we're gonna work on getting low, okay? But I need you to get used to this stuff first because it's gonna be important for the next steps. So I'll see you all in part 3 of the series where we're gonna cover dips and lunges. I'll see you there. Thank you all so much for skating with me today. I'll see you in the next one. Stay groovy, peace. Ah, did it.